Formerly Hughes, and I was born at Monticello, the home of many slaves at my time. I was born to heaven. In my early years, I worked in the nailery, pounding nails like most boys at my age. Our conditions are based on how we are ranked. My living condition is better than most slaves. I am greatly trusted by Mr. Jefferson. This is not the case for many other slaves, though. Most of the slaves live on Mulberry Road. Many of us would not want to leave if we had the option to be free or to stay. We are watched by our overseer, Edmund Bacon. He is in charge of making sure all of the slaves are working. He is instructed by Mr. Jefferson not to whip us, but he does anyways. I, however, was never whipped. He is a very dull and mean person. He does not give us any motivation. The only little bit of motivation he gives us is if we work hard, we do not get whipped. When we granted free time, we often took part in slave activities such as dancing, singing, or just talking with each other. In our free time, we did not feel as much as slaves as we do. Therefore, when we do have free time, we cherish it. The slave churches are a great deal away from Mr. Jefferson. Our churches are run by other slaves, opposed to Mr. Jefferson's churches run by a priest. When slaves died, we were instructed to dig a hole and bury them. We were all buried in the same area as all of our other slaves. This location is different from Mr. Jefferson's and his family. We enjoy having Mr. Jefferson because he gives us enough freedom to make us happy. We are not just randomly placed on the plantation. We were ranked on our ability to work. When we are young, we try out in the nailery. We are later judged on how we do in the nailery. I am the head gardener on the plantation. Other jobs slaves can have on the plantation are cook and work in the cotton field. Us slaves all have different limits on how much freedom we have. The longer we are trusted, the more freedom we obtain. Mr. Jefferson does not see us as slaves, but rather family. I am glad to end out with Mr. Jefferson because he does not treat us like almost all slave owners. He sometimes gives us a little bit of freedom, and as a result, we get to supervise each other, and we are not whipped. I dug Mr. Jefferson's grave when he died. I was freed at death. I stayed in the family. However, my wife and children were auctioned off in the 1827 auction. Do I run or do I stay? There are so many positives and negatives I have to face while making